about sambong benepisyo. Hashtag sambong benefits, brothers and sisters. Sambong o blumya balsamifera ay may pampaihi, diuretic. 2. Pampakalma ng ubo, cough relief. 3. Pampababa ng lymphanitis, anti-inflammatory. 4. Pampaganda ng digestion. Traditionally used for kidney stone, respiratory issues, fever reduction. Thank you and God bless to all. Hello everyone! Our topic for today is about benepisyo ng sambong. Ang sambong o blumya balsamifera ay mga benepisyo. Una, nakakapagpabuti ng digestion. Pangalawa, nakakalaway sa mga gas sa tiyan. 3. May anti-inflammatory properties. Nakakapagpababa ng liquor. Nakakapagpabuti sa pag-ihi. May antioxidant. Thank you and God bless to all. Also, our topic for today is about sambong benepisyo. Sambong benefits or blumya balsamifera ay una, pampaihi, diuretic. 2. Pampakalma ng ubo, cough relief. 3. Pampababa ng lymphanitis or anti-inflammatory. 4. Pampaganda ng digestion. Traditionally used for 1. Kidney stones. 2. Respiratory issues. 3. Fever reduction. Thank you and God bless to all.